Lumalamig na ang panahon, kaya masarap na may sabaw, lalo pag rich, thick, and chunky. Gagawa tayo ng simple chowder. Let's start cooking. It's a very rich soup called a chowder. Alam niyo naman chowder, pang restaurant, but we are going to make it so easy for you. And we started off by boiling our potatoes, patatas. So, not only will it add the chunkiness, pero yung mashed potato, siya din yung thickener ng ating soup. Kaya simulan na natin. I will dice my potato. It's so soft na it crumbles. Yan. So, okay lang yan. It doesn't have to be perfect, no? I will probably like dice 2 potatoes and the rest I will mash with my fork. So, ito, you can add whatever vegetables you want. Pero ito, very simple lang tayo. Huwag na natin pahirapan yung ating mga selves kasi it's going to be so satisfying even if you just eat it with bread, di ba? May toasted bread ka. Then ito siya, meal in itself na siya. Ito, mashed potato. And for my protein, I'm using CDO Chicken Ham. So alam mo naman yung mga moms ngayon, mga younger generation of moms, yung mga anak nila, younger generation pa. So, hindi na, iba na yung taste. Social na yung taste ng ating mga kabataan ngayon. Kaya, you cannot just keep on doing usual Filipino fare kasi international na yung panglasa. Pero, how do you survive cooking international dishes na sometimes akala mo complicated but we are not familiar with? So, ito siya. We upgraded the way of making our chowder. Made it simple for all of you. Home style pa rin siya. Ito, pang topping natin. Sauté. Very nice color ng ating chicken ham, oh. Ayan. Sauté. Mabango din. And this is ideal for people who want to eat mga charcuterie, no? Mga cold cuts na umiiwas na sa red meat and sa pork. So, ito, chicken ham is for you. Our chicken ham, beautifully sautéed. Tatabi muna natin. No? So, we will use half for our soup and half for our topping. Oil and a little bit of butter. Pag ayaw mo ng butter, pwede namang wala. Oil lang. Sauté our onions. Celery. Sauté lang. Sauté. Yan. So, ito, I will just add a little bit of flour, harina. Add half our chicken ham. Add our mashed potatoes. Add our chicken stock. I will also add my diced potatoes. Dried basil. O, di ba? Let that simmer. At saka mabilis siya dahil parboiled na yung ating patatas. No? So, ginagawa natin, ina-upgrade natin in a way na it's easier for you to cook. So, this soup is perfect for the whole family. So, medyo fancy ng konti yung feels, but so easy to do. Start ka ng soup, then salad, then main course. So, di ba? Resto feels. And look at that, it's getting thicker and thicker. And when you taste the soup, it's a blend of sweet and salty, di ba? And the chunkiness of our potatoes and our CDO chicken ham. Season natin ng konting salt. And when it's ready, no, ma-achieve mo yung thickness na gusto mo, it's time to add our cream. No? So we want everything to come together, all the flavors to come together. Very important dito na yung vegetables are very tender that it melts in your mouth. Kaya chunky siya, pero it melts in your mouth. Pero sobrang sarap. And now it's time to add our cream. Tan-tan-tan. Sobrang easy. No? You add the cream last for that nice creaminess. No? Nice color. Perfect na perfect, no? Black pepper, pinch of black pepper. Sobrang simple na ating recipe, pero upgraded ang ulam niyo for the weekends, di ba? Kaya gawin niyo na to. I'm sure your family will love it. Have a bowl of chowder. Chunky chowder, oh. Look at that, very nice. Ito lang siya, and salad. Ay, winner na. Then may bread sa side. And we will garnish. Para fancy talaga tingnan, ito siya. Oh, we will drizzle some cream on top. May pa-parsley tayo. Clean spoon for our chicken. Look at that. It's so beautiful, oh. Ang bilis-bilis lang gawin. Pero, of course, being the chef, di ba? kailangan tumikim. So, mauna na ako sa iba, ha? So, very nice, very chunky. Wala. Ito na siya. Lakas makasosyal. So easy to do. Ating chowder. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!